So you're gonna start holding like your like pant line, I guess, and you're gonna bring your right foot into like a little bevel or like pop, and your right arm swings back like that. So it goes boom. Then you do a chalet turn to your right, 1, 2, 3. And when you do that, your arms are down, and then on the third step, you shoot your arms up.
And do you want the chalet in like a 4-starch?
Yeah,
okay.
4-starch chalet, up. And then after that, your arms are going to the front, right, back, down. So you just did 1, 2, 3. Then you go 1, sit on your right hip and pop your left. Then you're gonna drag to the left when you're dragging your right foot. Step, step, right leap, land. And then you step back and your arms go here.
I'm gonna move you over just a little bit.
Yeah, so your arms go here, chest, shoulders out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you shoot your arms up, 1, pull them down, and then keep your right arm here and pull your left arm down there. And you're just doing step, touch with your feet for that part. So step, pull down, step, pull down. Then you step out with your right foot, and your arms are going 1 and 2. So you start out with your left bent, your right straight, then you switch. So it should be like 1 and 2. Then your right arm is going to go around your head, and you're going to step out like straight into this left leg. So you go around, and your butt kind of does like a little roll to the back.
Back to left to right? Okay.
Yeah, left to right. Your arm goes around, you go down, and then you snake up, and then you step over to your right, and you're facing the back now, and your arms go up like this.
Do your hips go right, left on that one? A little bit on the left.
A little bit, like a tiny bit.
Can you please now do it from the top to there with count?
You go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. Next part.
Okay, the next part.
On the leap too, I would like it to go diagonal and not side, because when we perform, you'll be performing over here and you're gonna run into the wall if you don't go diagonal.
So go diagonal for the leap.
Okay, second half.
So you sit here, then your wrists are gonna do little circles, and you snap, and your hips going right, left, and you snap up, then snap down. And then you're gonna take your right foot and step like towards the back, and then you're gonna lift your arm around like that and like snap to the front. So that was just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go passe, and you like hit your like the sides, passe on 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do a double turn, and then you land out like that.
So that's a right double turn and facing diagonal.
Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So would you recommend they spot forward or spot diagonal so that they can stop facing front?
I would spot probably diagonal and then step out. Like
okay.
That. So that's the end. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.